Good morning from Bend, Oregon. Just got out. Show you the beautiful Ponderosa pine and a lovely morning. And I was just gonna touch the snow with my feet and see how that feels. Oh, beautiful. Woo. Let's sink down. I am sunken down. It is very cold. So while I was thinking to do a morning walk in the snow, I think I am not gonna do that right now, but I'm gonna walk a little bit with just my slippers on. It is a beautiful morning, a lot of snow, those amazing trees. Thank you so much for being here with me. May your day be joyful, beautiful, as always.